Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. In this Excel video tutorial, we are going to cover the IFERROR function. You could use the IFERROR function to trap and handle errors in a formula. If error returns a value, you specify if a formula evaluates to an error. Otherwise, it returns the results of the formula. The IFERROR function syntax has the following arguments. Value. This is a required argument. This is the argument that is checked for an error. Value if error. This is also a required argument. This is the value that is returned if the formula evaluates to an error. The following error types are evaluated. #NA. This occurs when the value cannot be found in the reference data. #value. The function syntax is not constructed correctly. #ref. Occurs when a reference is invalid. #div divided by 0 occurs when trying to divide by 0. #num. This is when a calculation cannot be performed. #name signifies that something needs to be corrected in the syntax. Or #null occurs when you incorrectly type the range name, refer to a deleted range name, or forget to put quotation marks around a text string in a formula. So notes to remember. If value or value if error is an empty cell, if error treats it as an empty string value. We will be using our billing invoice as an example on how to use the IFERROR function. In our invoice, we have two line items, item 1 and item 2. We have created a formula in the price column that reads equals open parentheses C9 times D9 close parentheses minus E9. This formula will get our quantity times price minus discount. We also have a formula for invoice subtotal, which gives us the sum of our price column, a formula for sales tax, and a formula for our total. Each one of these formulas are dependent on other cells in the invoice. So if there is an error in one of the formulas, then it can cascade throughout the invoice. For example, let's put in a discount for item 1. If we put in $1, then the values in the invoice update as expected. But if we put a value such as X, then all the formulas will return a value error. To fix this, let's start with the total formula. Click on the total value in cell F18. In the formula bar, you will see our formula. I have created a video on the sum function. Link is in the description below. Let's copy this formula, but do not include the equal sign. We will use this copied formula shortly. Now delete the formula in the formula bar, then click on the Insert Function button. Our Insert Function dialog box appears. In the search for a function, enter IFERROR and click on Go. You will see in the Select a Function text box the IFERROR function. Click on this function and click on OK. Now our Function Arguments dialog box appears. We have two arguments we need to populate. The first is our value. Paste the copied formula into this box. Tab to the next box, Value if Error, and type in Error in Calculation. Since we know this is going to error out due to the values having errors, we do expect to see a value error and the formula results reading error in calculation. Now click on OK. Let's do the same thing for sales tax. Click on cell F15 and copy the formula into the formula bar. Remember to leave off the equal sign. Delete the formula in the formula bar and click on Insert Function. Select the IFERROR function and click on OK. Paste the formula in the value text box and enter error in calculation in the value if error text box and click on OK. Again, as you can see, the sales tax value now reads error in calculation. Let's repeat this for invoice subtotal. Since the sum function has a built-in filter to remove text from a calculation, it is going to go ahead and sum up all numeric values and display the total in cell F18. Lastly, let's update the price column to use the IFERROR function. Since the price column is in a table, all cells in the price column will now have the IFERROR function. Now that we have all of our IFERROR functions in place, you can see that the invoice total, sales tax, and total all have values based on valid numbers in our invoice. If we remove the error in the discount column, then this price will be updated and all values will be correctly updated. I hope this Excel tutorial has given you some basic understanding of the IFERROR function. If so, please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. If there are any topics you wish for me to cover, please comment below. Again, I want to thank you for watching my Excel tutorial. This is John Gibson with I Need Examples, and as always, have a wonderful rest of your day.